Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Hatch Sleep app. So let's get started. So if you are an Apple user, you should must use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store. So at here you have to go click on your Play Store. Okay. If you're an Android user, if you're an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store. So at here we go, and you will directly search for the Hatch Sleep. Okay, Hatch Sleep app. So from here we can see Hatch Sleep. Just click on here. Click on here at install. It will automatically download and install the app. If you scroll down, you can also see the app uses and you can see the reviews related to this app, and you can also post your review by here. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.